I don't know if I look good in these shades. I haven't wear shades for quite a long time. Anyway, big day, big week. I don't know, I just want to do a daily vlog since all my other 3 vlogs were very artistic kind of thing. So I'm gonna do some daily vlog thing. Yeah, Phoebe bought all this cap in Florida. Is it not Johannesburg? What's the Florida thing name? Johannesburg? No, Johannesburg is South Africa. Petersburg. So Phoebe's living in Petersburg. Is it Saint Petersburg? Man, American cities have some confusing name, I believe. So it is Petersburg or Saint Petersburg. Anyway, it's in... Wait, okay, now is it Florida? Georgia. Florida. Yeah, somewhere in America. So she sent this through a nice custom hats for Timmy. She sent this, I think, few months ago. So yeah, I think I have to do some I think they do custom hats also here in the Philippines. So I'm not a hat guy. That's the thing about me. I seriously don't like hats, and I don't like shoes. Well, I like them, but I don't wear them that often unless the sun is really hot. Then yeah, sure, I would love. Yeah, so things I like wearing, but not really. I wear it often. Hats and caps, I don't know. I just never get the hang of it. Probably I'll start wearing it. And shades. I have a lot of shades. I never actually wear it. And also, watch. This is not my watch, it's Tim's watch, but I don't know. These are some of and shoes. Okay, I don't have shoes to show, but let me just bring just for practical effect. So things that I supposed to, but I really rarely wear is shoes. I'm more of a slip-on guy. Watch, every time I wear watch or put some accessories. Anyway, if I wear a necklace or watch, weirdly it's always just break within months. And then shades, I rarely wear it, even though I have a radiation high where my eyes start watery and look like I'm crying when the heat is high or the sun is too bright. And hats. Seriously don't know why. Anyway, today is training, so let's go for training. Whoosh. It is hot, way hot. Anyway, we have our new pickup point here in Paseo. Timmy said to pick us up here in Paseo between BDO and 7-Eleven, so I think it's that place right there. So anyway, I'm here at the park, sitting down. It's 3:43 now, 3:45. So it's just me and Warren today, and everything is busy. I think he went to Manila or something, so just gonna sit for a while, and then probably 3:50 or something. Timmy said gonna pick us up at 4. Well, I actually tell him that to pick up at 4, so I have to be early. So yeah, our old place in Novali is now no more. We moved down to Paseo. Hopefully this is the only time. So yeah, anyway, let's go.
When I think about His grace, His freedom,
Warren.
something like a woman brave. I'm grateful for the love that you gave.
You drink
It's so
water, yeah?
amazing.
At that age,
No
you
matter
drink
who we
water.
are, we know
Hey,
you'll never
leave my age alone.
change.
somebody ill. Another day. Supposed to be a daily vlog, but it turned out to go on the next day. Anyway, thank you, Warren, for the wonderful delicacies from home. This is a product from my home province in PNG. So anyway, I was walking up this morning to Tim's place. Evidently so. Why are we saying that? Anyway, so I met a friend of mine and she was like talking to me about the pressure that she's going through, and I think most of her friends already graduate and she's trying her best to complete that, and she's so frustrated, and also like there are some other things that pushing her down, pulling her down, and then she has like the pressure from friends who I think graduated already and working now, and it's like she's like compressed in the middle, and she really want to just complete a course. And yeah, so I think we talked for like an hour or so. So apparently I just listen. I think some people just want to blow off steam and just want to talk to some people. So so I just listen through. As a good friend, I just listen to her talk and talk and talk, and she likes talking also, so she talks a lot. No offense. Anyway, so I just listened through. I didn't like give her encouragement or that, because I feel like it's in the morning and she's just trying to blow off steam before going to class. So anyway, so here's my take on your little problem. I need pen, I need paper, and I need some markers. I'll be back. The sun is hot, like super hot. Anyway, 10 pesos. Cool stuff. Alright. Let me just write some stuff. Oh, I thought it's sorted. I got the wrong papers. Anyway, at least I have more of, is it orange or peach? One of those colors. So let me just write stuff down. All right. So, I got 2 words. Number 1, perseverance. All right. The continued determination, effort to achieve a goal despite difficulties, obstacles, or delay. That's the first word. Second word is determination. All right. Persistent, tenacity, and strong focus. Emphasis on strong focus. So here's the thing. This is a rough draft. I didn't have time. I didn't even plan for this. So this line is the line where you're traveling on. Your line towards your goal. The path towards your goal. The square part is the beginning and the goal. The square part is where people give you negative comment. You have pressure from friends, all this stuff. People laugh at you while you were hustling and trying to reach your goal. The square part, it is where those things happen. Underneath is interest and hobbies that pulls you down from the path that you're trying to reach. So interest and hobbies and other extracurricular stuff, all right? Something that you go headaches in or something. So I'm just saying extracurricular stuff. These are the things that pulls you down, and a comment, a negative comment, and people laugh at you and said, what are you doing? Stop it. Pushing you down, and this one is dragging you down. That's in the square area. The middle part where the squiggly line and the up and down line thingy is don't care and change. Here is when you start to growing towards your goal, people won't even care or bother you anymore because you've been a laughing stock. So now people just don't care. And at the bottom, you start to either change your hobbies or trying to live with it. And the second part is where you reach your goal. It's where happy. That's where people like, oh my God, I was with you all through. These are the same people in the square that comes in the circle now, trying to be in your circle when you reach your goal. All right, that's where people they praise you and like, I know you're gonna do it. That's why blah blah blah. That's where now you wanna be there. All right, remember the same people that laughs at you at the square part, they square up with you. Now they wanna be in your circle when you reach your goal. And underneath is you probably already know how to live with your hobbies and interests with your goal, or you do away with some of your extracurricular activities. So yeah, I know you watch my vlog, so I'm doing this so you can. So yeah, that's the goal. And the two words that I want you to live with, or whoever who's hustling and people are laughing at you, and you feel like you are still in the square, people are squaring up with you and laughing at you, and you keep hustling. Remember, when people stop talking or laughing at you, you are in this year. But when you are in your winner's goal circle, people want to be in your circle. So the two things that I want to carry with you, the two words is perseverance, all right? Determined effort to achieve goals, okay? Emphasis on despite difficulties, obstacle, or delay, you're still persistent. And the second word is determination, all right? Persistent, tendencies, this word, and strong focus. Emphasis on strong focus. People are squaring up with you now. Later, they want to be in your business circle. Here's the daily vlog. Anyway, see you on the next one. That last bit feels kind of deja vu. I don't know. Just the last bit of this vlog just feels deja vu. I feel like I already did it, this part of the segment, or I watched it from some, I don't know. It just feel weird. Just now I'm editing it and I'm like, wait. This kind of feels like a deja vu thingy, but I don't know.